Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Ford Ranger steering wheel easy method. First, put the key in the ignition and turn it gently while holding the wheel steady. Next, wiggle the steering wheel left and right with light pressure as you apply slight turning force to the key. If the key turns, hold position and start the engine to reset the lock. If it does not, stop and consider alternate steps. In this video, I will show how to unlock Ford Ranger steering wheel easy method. Prepare basic tools like a torque wrench, small flat pry tool, and a spare key. Make sure the vehicle is parked securely and the wheels are straight before you begin. Take safety precautions around the airbag and wiring harnesses inside the column. Proceed gently to avoid breaking plastic clips or damaging the ignition cylinder, which can add unnecessary repair costs. In this video, I will show how to unlock Ford Ranger steering wheel easy method. Begin by applying slight pressure to the key while turning the steering wheel left and right to free the locked position. If resistance remains, remove the key and apply a small amount of graphite lubricant into the ignition, then try again. Avoid using excessive force that could shear the key or damage tumblers. If these steps fail, consider professional locksmith service for safe removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.